Vocal chops are used in many modern music productions, but they can be difficult to create. Logic Pro offers a simple way to make the process much easier. Start by adding a vocal phrase to your timeline. Next, grab the audio and drag it into the track header area. Once you do this, several options appear. Choose Quick Sampler in Original mode. Click on Slice, then play your keyboard until you find a part you like. Let's choose this one. Now quickly export this slice as audio and check its pitch. As you can hear, the pitch of this audio slice is C sharp. To play it melodically, we need to map it correctly across the keyboard. Grab the same audio again, and this time drag it into Quick Sampler in Optimized mode. The optimized version automatically pitches the sample across the keyboard. Logic detects the root note and assigns it to the correct key. When you play that detected note, the sample plays at its original pitch. Other keys transpose the sound up or down. And now you can play a melody using your vocal chop.